Whether niqab or hijab, now we're talking about the different opinion. 50-50, the scholars differed. It all depends upon the question, is the face of the woman awra or not? Is the face of the woman needs to be covered like the rest of the body? They differed based upon two hadiths, and the two hadiths is almost the same strength. She's 13 years old, is niqab is obligation. Well, the first question is she baligha? Has she reached the age? Meaning, did she got her menstruation? If she got her menstruation, she's a baligha. She's a mukallafa. Meaning now she is going to be asked by Allah. Whether niqab or hijab, before we get to the niqab, the hijab become obligation. And I don't want any one of you says, oh, she's still young. Yani Allah doesn't know she is young. Don't help shaitan on people. She asks you, you say, it is an obligation. I'll make dua for you that Allah make it easy. I can't say you're too young. You got your cycle. Whether niqab or hijab, now we're talking about the different opinion. 50-50, the scholars differed. It all depends upon the question, is the face of the woman awra or not? Is the face of the woman needs to be covered like the rest of the body? They differed based upon two hadiths, and the two hadiths is almost the same strength, and there is nothing clear-cut in the Quran. So they said, some says it's absolutely an obligation, some said it is not. Personally, what I say, like I remember very well, we were in Hajj or Umrah, I can't remember. There was a young girl with us. She's not beautiful. I have not yet found a word to describe her face. Very beautiful, full of haya, subhanallah. I looked at her and I said, you need to cover your face. Because you can see she's a fitna. You can see. I was walking with her and you can see. I mean, she's very beautiful. Do you see the point? Right? If you follow that school of thought, yes, it is an obligation. If you follow that school, it is not. But definitely hijab, meaning, alhamdulillah, Allah made me remember. I didn't see it here, but I'm saying in general. Hijab is not covering the hair only. We are seeing this, which is really, I don't know who invented this. If you are wearing things to describe the shape of your body, you are not wearing what Allah wants you to wear, period. It doesn't matter what you do. You want to wear shirwal qamis, you want to wear a jeans and top. There's nothing says you have to wear abaya or you have to wear this. These are all culture and people are comfortable. That's fine. There is outlines. This is what I tell people. There's outlines in the dress code. Details is you decide what you feel more comfortable. The main outline, it does not describe your body. If you are wearing tight jeans and a short top on it and you're covering your hair, it hurts me. You know why? Because you're doing the most difficult thing, which is covering your hair, yet you are not doing it completely. So you love the jeans, it's very comfortable, I agree with you. In fact, it's actually more, it's even more haya to have something like the pants. Just wear something wide on top of it, reach your knees, done. Which is basically the concept of shirwal qamis, right? Because it is very practical. To be honest with you, if you want to go for exercise, it's going to be a little bit tough to do it with, I've done it before, but it's a little bit tough with abaya. But if I do something on top, long, and I put a pants under, it's very convenient. So please make sure, if Allah gave you the strength, walillahi alhamd, to cover your hair, because to me that is the hardest thing. Do the rest properly, and He will make you love it.